So now the shaded region is called A prime union B prime. They are the elements that are not in A and also the elements that are not in B. Union is the collection of those two elements, the elements of the two groups. Then this one, A prime. A prime is the set of elements that are not in A, while prime is the set of elements that are not in B. Now, coming together, they are the set of elements that are not in A and also together with the set of elements that are not in B.